If you play guitar, especially if you play a guitar that you love to plug into an amp, well, this might be something that interests you. This is from FlatSuns. It's the FW2D Guitar Wireless System. Now, it is a mouthful, but man, does this thing actually work properly. I've got a little dinky little amp on here, but of course this works with any type of system. It basically, essentially, transforms your system into a wireless system. You've got a receiver, you've got a transmitter. So the transmitter is right here. It's 2.4 gigahertz. There is one button to turn on and one button to pair. When both are on, just press the pair or the catch button at the top of both. They will literally recognize each other and you're good to go. Now, I'm going to plug this in right here on my guitar, on this side. And instead of literally plugging a cable, a 1/4-inch cable into the amp, I can rock out on stage completely wireless. I can literally be away from the amp and it will still be working. Now the receiver, although the receiver needs to be plugged in right here on this end, and it is charged. It is rechargeable, and I will show you. It is rechargeable. Both receiver and transmitter are rechargeable by via USB-C, so that's important to know. When they're charged, as they are now, literally turn on and go. Look at this. And I've got controls of everything. So anything that I do on my guitar, if I change pickups, if I check with the volume, it's just like as if I was plugged in, but it is virtually plugged in because it is wireless, completely wireless. Super cool. The sound is literally like as if you were plugged in. And also, one thing to note, a lot of people have these questions when you're going wireless. It's like that sync, that impedance that you need to know if you're going to play and it's going to come out right away. Obviously, that's the whole point, right? You don't want to have any delay. This thing has no delay. It literally plays when you need it to play, and exactly. So if you're on beat, if you're performing with other people that might be plugged in, they won't miss a beat and you won't miss a beat either. So yeah, definitely highly recommend this. It's a really cool little add-on tool to add to any guitarist arsenal. And it's a super cool gift to gift the guitar player in your life.